Hi, Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems here at Xponential 2022 in Orlando, Florida. I'm with Lindsay from Crystal Group. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
So, Crystal Group has a new server, and Lindsay's going to tell us all about it.
Yep, autonomous application. So this is our AUVSI 1539. This application will run military autonomous vehicles, whether it is a vehicle that is dropping off supplies to remote locations, whether it is for an application for drones, things like that. Anything this will survive a extreme environment.
Oh, that's great. Tell people how they can get more information about Crystal Group and also any of the servers at Crystal Group.
Absolutely. So you would want to visit crystalrugged.com. You can go in and find our contact information, email addresses, phone number, everything is linked right in our website.
Oh, great. Thank you very much, Lindsay.
Yeah, you bet. Thank you.